Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, July 2nd, 2024, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Looking at the Dow here, the Dow finally broke out of this go nowhere range that it's been in the last 4 or 5 days, and it had a pretty good day and closed up 162 points. We had another really good day, two in a row. That's pretty great. We closed out positive $22,000 in 8 positions earlier today, and we're carrying negative 5,000 in 7 positions going into tomorrow. Everything that happened today was in one stock, so I'm going to show that to you. And this stock was ANDS, which is Annovis Bio Incorporated. And we started here, it did nothing, and then it started moving up here, pretty close to the halfway point in the day. And then it just kept going and going and going. And up here where we exited, this thing was up 100%. 100%. And then it re-entered. Okay. Now, you've heard me talk about this. I worked all night long a few days ago to get this re-entry out of the algorithm, re-entering following a 40% exit. This was a 40% exit here, but it no sooner exited, it re-entered at the same price, in and out. It's not supposed to do this, but it did it. So right now what I got is a revised algorithm that takes out most of the re-entries, but not all of them. And I am at my wit's end about this. My AI that I work with, it doesn't know what to do either. It just runs in circles when I feed the problem to it. So at this point, I'm just going to stay with what I got. I got about 3/4 of the re-entries out of here, but I still have this one in the trade today. Well, fortunately, this did not prove too bad. Potentially, it was profitable after after taking out. I don't think I said this. We took out $38,000. You heard that right. We took out $38,000 from a buy here to a sell up here. And then we get into it again. And believe it or not, when it got up here on top, we were up another $25,000 in this trade. At that point, man, we're like over like $65,000 up on this one stock. But unfortunately, as the reason I don't like the re-entry is there tends to selling come in. Some came in. It wasn't too bad, but where we closed there, we are down $6,000. Down $6,000. So we went from being positive 25,000 on the re-entry to negative 6,000 on the close. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I mean, it could pop up, but I wouldn't count on it. Let's just put it that way. Anyway, even with a malfunctioning re-entry trade, we still had a really good day, closing out $22,000 in profits and only carrying negative 5,000 going into tomorrow. We'll just have to see what happens tomorrow. Anyway, I'll see you then on Wednesday.